That there is a timber chicken, folks. A ruffled grouse. And I didn't bring my 22 this morning. Boy, it'd be good eating. Don't know if you can read that sign there. It says active logging, no public access. I'm getting off the road here before somebody comes around, but it's a Sunday, so I don't think anybody's up here. But folks, Cascade Timber has asked that where there's active logging, because of their equipment, etc., and the safety of the loggers, no hunting on those areas. And I love hunting up there on Jolly Creek. But respect the land.